Hello everyone, welcome to Salsford online session. So now today topic is on United Nations, subject is civics. This is grade for the grade 8 and academic year 2020-21. Now come to the next slide. So first we know about the what is the United Nations. So the United Nations is an intergovernmental organization that aims to maintain the international peace and the security, develop the friendly relations among the nations, achieve the international cooperation, and be the center for harmonizing the action of a nation. So in the next slide, we know about the different agencies and the different organization of the United Nations. Before we know about the symbols of the United Nations. Report of the Secretary General. 15 October 1946. The olive branches are a symbol for peace and the world map represents all the people and the countries of the world. The United Nations is an international organization founded in 1945 and it is currently composed of the 193 member states. The mission and the work of the United Nations are guided by the purpose and the principles contained in its the founding charter. There are 6 official languages of the UN. These are the Arabic, Chinese, English, French, Russian, and the Spanish. So before started this topic, the first question in our mind: explain the structure of the UN with respect to its organ and specialized agencies. The answer is that the structure of the UN with respect to its organ are General Assembly, main body of the UN. Mainly there are 6 organizations of the United Nations. Second is Security Council, responsible for the promoting the peace and supervising the UN troops. Third is Secretariat, oversees the functioning of the UN. Fourth is Economic and the Social Council, responsible for the promoting the social economic development. Fifth is International Court of Justice, the judicial organ of the UN, which settles the international disputes. Justice Council, to assist the countries which were under foreign rule and to help them achieve the self-government. So these are the specialized agencies of the UN: UNICEF, UNESCO, IMF, ILO, WHO, FAO. So what's the main function of the UNICEF? United Nations Children Funds. What is the main objective of this agencies are? Protect the children of the world and the focus on improving their quality of life. Second, UNESCO. United Nations Education, Scientific and the Culture Organization promote the education and the culture to secure the peace in the world. IMF, International Monetary Fund, promotes the economic development and the make trades and the e-commerce easier. International Labour Organization promoted the right of employees. WHO helps improve the health standard of the people of the world and the fight against the various diseases. FAO, Food and Agriculture Organizations, creates the awareness about the healthy nutrition, tries to remove the hunger through the program called Food for All. So here, some discussion about the different organization, which is very important for, so we know about the UNO, United Nations Organizations. So first thing, discuss and make the special recommendation on any questions within the scope of the chart. Second, receive discussion and consider the report from the other organs of the UN. Third, amend the character of the UN with the consent of all the 5 permanent members of the Security Councils. Here in this slide, we have seen this about the Security Councils. What's the plan for the regulation of the armaments? Call upon the parties involved in the disputes for dispute settlements. Third is determine the existence of the trade to international peace. Take action in a piece of trade to the peace, breach of the peace, or the act of the aggression to restore and maintain the international peace and security. Peaceful settlement of the local disputes through the regional arrangement and agencies. Fifth is the Security Council also recommend to the General Assembly the appointment of the Secretary General and the admission of the new member to the United Nations. Third is very also important, Economic and the Social Council. In this slide is about the responsible for the coordinating the economic, social, culture, and the other related activities of the 15 UN specialized agencies and the other bodies. 54 members, 11th is Asia, 14th is Africa, 10th is Latin America, 6th is Eastern Europe, 16th is Western Europe, and the other countries. So here we have seen the different symbols about the economic and the social council specialized agencies. First, you have the symbol of the International Labour Organization, IFAD, International Fund for the Agriculture Development, FAO, Food Agriculture Organizations, UNESCO, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, World Bank, IMO, UNIDO. So these are the main organ of the UNR, in the short form: General Assembly, Security Council, Economic and Social Council, Trusteeship Council, International Court of Justice, and the UN Secretariat. So now, first we know we added the important point about the General Assembly, because we know that General Assembly is the main body of the UN. So we will discuss more about the General Assembly here. Is main deliberative, policy making, and the representative organ of the UN. All 193 member states of the UN are represented in the General Assembly, making it the only UN body with a universal representation. Each year in September, the full UN member meets in a General Assembly hall in New York for the annual General Assembly session, general debate, which may heads of the stand attended and addresses. This is another important question, such as those on the peace and the security, admission of new members, and the budgetary matters, required a two-thirds majority of a General Assembly. This is an other questioning are by the simple majority. So the main committee of the UN General Assembly are the first committee, disarmament and international security. Second committee, economic and financial. Third committee, social, humanitarian and culture. Fourth committee, special political anti-colonization. Fifth committee, administrative and budgetary. Sixth committee, legal. So now here's some about the special agencies. So we discuss about the FAO, Food and Agriculture Organization of the Nation. So as we discussed the previous slide, FAO, IMF, ITU, UNIDO, UNESCO. So what is the role of India in the United Nations? It's a very important question, and as we want to know about what is the role of India in United Nations? So India's status as a founding member of the non-aligned movement and the group of 77 cemented its position within the UN system as a leading advocate of the concern and the aspiration of developing countries and the creation of more equitable international economic and political orders. What the contribution, which country contribution most of the money to UN? So the current contribution scale valid for 2019-21 was adopted by the UN General Assembly in December 2018. The four largest contributor to the United Nations, the US, 22% of the UN budget, China, 12.005%, Japan, 8.564%, Germany, 6.090%, together finance some the 49 of the entire UN budgets. So now we stop here. I hope you like this video. Thank you.